How to create a newsletter in Getresponse. Let's begin by clicking on the link provided in the description below to gain easy access to the tool we'll be using. Log into your account or use your Google account to sign in. After signing in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Navigate to the email marketing section. Once there, click on the Newsletters tab located at the top of the page. Here you will find the Create Newsletter button. Please go ahead and click on it. In the pop-up window, you can choose how you want to create your email. For this video, we'll use the By Myself option. Next, select the linked list that you want to send your newsletter to. This list will determine the recipients of your message. Choose the From and Reply To addresses for your newsletter. These will be the email addresses that your recipients will see as the sender and reply to contacts respectively. Now it's time to provide a subject line for your message. You can either write your own subject or utilize the AI subject line generator to create one for you. If you want to give your contacts a sneak peek into what they can expect from your message, you can add preview text. Add recipients by selecting the appropriate options. You can choose to send the message to specific segments or specific individuals within your list. It's time to start designing your newsletter. Click on the Design Message button to get started. In the next window, you have several options for designing your message. You can choose from pre-designed templates, use your own templates, create a message from scratch using a blank template, design the message using the HTML editor, or select an existing message. Once you choose your desired template, you will be redirected to the message editor. Here, you can personalize your newsletter using various editing tools. Once you are satisfied with your message design, click Next to proceed to the settings page. On the settings page, you can enable e-commerce tracking if desired and send the message as a source to Google Analytics, providing valuable insights into your newsletter campaign. Under the Sharing section, you have the option to share the online view of your newsletter on Facebook or Twitter, increasing its visibility and reach. Next, choose whether you want to send the message immediately or schedule it for a later time. If you choose the Send It with Perfect Timing option, Getresponse will automatically determine the optimal delivery time for each recipient based on their past engagement behavior. Finally, you can save the message as a draft or click the Send Message or Schedule button to initiate the delivery process.